Hello guys, my name is Milin. Let's start with difference between Docker and hypervisor. As we has discussed earlier, the Docker architecture and the hypervisor architecture is shown. So the base layer, infrastructure layer is nothing but the hardware, and on the top of the hardware in the Docker architecture, there is host operating system in the OS layer, and after that Docker is there. We need just have to install Docker, and on the top of that there are container and applications. So the comparison between Docker and hypervisor, if we see in the hypervisor side, there is a hypervisor. There is a hardware. On the top of hardware there is a hypervisor. Hypervisor is nothing but a software software only, but on the top of the OS there is a software known as hypervisor. Okay, and on that hypervisor we can host multiple virtual machines. So that virtual machine can be of any time, like any type, like it can be Windows, Mac, or Linux, different flavors of Linux. And in that virtual machine we are hosting some kind of application or running some applications. Okay, so this is how the difference between the hypervisor and Docker is. So if we see the hypervisor side, they will need, for the particular application they will need a different set of RAM and core. So it is like the hardware utilization will be more and more as compared to Docker. Hence, we have moved on to Docker, but there are many forms where still they use as a hypervisor. So they have their own benefit. Thanks.